Like an impressionist painting that enables you to perceive meaning from an overwhelming number of data points, big data blends multiple sources and views of large volumes of data, often in real time.
The use cases are limitless, and you really are limited to your thinking. What a business needs to think about when it's embarking on this analytics journey is to lay down an overarching strategy which is tightly linked to what the business wants to do.
It's really important that a business, before they start looking at any big data project, they actually understand the business processes. And actually there's one stage before that, which is understanding the customer journey.
We collect all sorts of data, and typically we throw a huge amount of it away. Now through big data we have the opportunity to derive more insight, understand our customers better, understand the performance of our network better.
Data is your largest untapped asset. So just to put this in context, our market, the number of holiday makers flying out the UK, has gone backwards every year since 2008, but we've managed to grow through that. And we've grown through that through really analysing our data and analysing the customers already visiting our website and using that to drive growth.
To really apply big data, I think we're still in the trial and build up our knowledge. We have 2 or 3, I suppose, favourite areas we think we can apply it, but the truth is there's a massively long list of areas where we think there's an opportunity to apply it.
It's extremely important in an organisation when you're doing a big data project to have both the IT department and the business departments working together.
Fundamentally, skill is the issue, and this is a team sport.
It's not just a single role that you're going to be looking for, it's a number of different aspects of skill sets you're going to draw upon.
So the key considerations: understand big data as a platform, not as a point piece of technology. Consider the kinds of data and the impact it's going to have on your data environment, and then take that opportunity to step back and consider how this is going to become embedded into your organization.
We end up processing more dynamic requests a second than Google do. You don't need to be big anymore.
We would encourage businesses to emulate the startups. Have an agile, iterative and innovative atmosphere.
Don't just look jealously at startups and go, well, it was easy for them because they started from nothing, could make choices. They're also continuing to make the choices and make brave choices to change things and stop doing things that they don't want to do. And large organisations can do that as well.
The key message, I think, is not about managing big data, it's about analysing it and leveraging it.
So everything's about collaboration. You know, if you want to innovate, the quickest way to innovate is take 2 independent pieces of knowledge that you already have and put them together. You know, if you don't collaborate, you're making the assumption that you know everything. And I think when you move into a new world, into a new domain, you've got to collaborate. You've got to collaborate with partners, you've got to collaborate within your own company. Collaboration and being social is the absolute key to making big data work.
I think this is a tremendous opportunity for people to come here and come together and talk about something like big data, which is still a new technology that everybody is trying to find what we can do with it, how to get the biggest value from it.
I think to be able to come to a forum and to hear many different points of view, to be able to gather some of those tidbits to take back, to create some views of things that actually create momentum. It's not boiling the ocean, it's starting somewhere.
The value of a forum like this for delegates is that it allows them to, see what other organisations are doing. It's a lot easier to learn from someone else's experience than to necessarily learn from a textbook and get it wrong yourself.
I found the event today really, really useful. To me, the quality of the presentations today is an indication that this area, big data, is definitely maturing.
It's about accelerating your learning, and you accelerate your learning by collaboration. And so that would be the value for me for people coming to the forum.